Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Meman from Matiari. Today I teach you questions and answers and some other exercises on lesson 6, King Faisal of English, class 10. Dear students, this lesson 6, King Faisal, is on page number 20 in your English book. So please read this lesson very carefully. Here I am going to solve question answers. Question exercise A, comprehension. Question 1. When was King Faisal born? King Faisal was born in 1907. Question number 2. From whom did he receive religious education? The answer of this question is he received his religious education from his maternal grandfather Sheikh Abdullah bin Abdul Latif. Question number 3. When was Faisal made the king? Faisal was made the king in 1964. Question number 4. How did Faisal rule Saudi Arabia? The answer of this question is Faisal ruled Saudi Arabia wisely and justly. Question number 5. How did he develop his country? The answer of this question is he developed his country by increasing the production of its mineral oil, which is the main source of the income of Saudi Arabia. He also made reforms in agriculture sector and in education also. Barren lands were cultivated, and in education he opened new schools, colleges, universities where education is free for all. Now, question number 6. What were the feelings of King Faisal about Pakistan? The answer of this question is King Faisal was sincere and well-wisher of the people of Pakistan. Question number 7. Why was King Faisal against the state of Israel? The answer of this question is he was against the state of Israel because of its enmity towards the Arabs. Question number 8. What did Faisal do for the Arabs in their war against Israel? The answer of this question is he strengthened the Arabs in their war against Israel. Question number 9. When did King Faisal die? The answer of this question is he died on 25th March 1975. Question number 10. How did the Muslim feel over his death? The answer of this question is Muslims felt deep grief over his death. They mourned. They thought as if the elder of their family had passed away. These were the 10 questions of exercise A. Now, exercise B. Learn the spellings and meanings of the following words from the lesson and use 10 of them in sentences of your own. Dear students, there are some words given in this exercise B. You have to use the words in your own sentences. For example, in exercise B, the first word is late. We can use it in our own sentence. You should also use in your own sentence. Here I make my sentence. My late grandfather was a good man. Education. Next word, education. Education is very necessary for the life. Maternal. My maternal grandfather is no more in this world. Affairs. We should take interest in the affairs of the country to understand them. Govern. Faisal helped his father in governing the country. Later on, suppose first I was appointed as a primary teacher. Later on, I left it and joined the secondary education. Several. There are several private universities also in the world. Gain. There is no gain without pain. Resign. He resigned from the post of president. Devoted. We should be devoted to our country. In this way, you can use all the words in your own sentence. This was exercise B. Now, exercise C. Exercise C. Make nouns from the following words. There are some words given. We have to make nouns. These are words which are given and we make nouns. The first word is born. The noun of the born is birth. Educate. These are verbs. Educate. Education. Resign. Resignation. Resignation. Move. Movement. Rule. The noun of this word is same, rule. Govern. Government. Serve. Service. Visit. Visit. Die. Death. Develop. Development. Development. Now, exercise D. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the words given in the lesson. Faisal dash taking interest in the affairs of the state. Faisal started taking interest. Number 2. He dash religious education from his maternal grandfather. he received religious education. Number 3, he dashed his father in dash the country. He helped his father in governing the country. He was a dash governor of Hijaz when he was only 20. He was made governor of Hijaz. Later on, he dashed as a Saudi foreign minister. Later on, he served as a Saudi foreign minister. He also dashed the country of the armed forces of his country. He also had the opportunity of holding the command of the armed forces of his country. Number 7, dash the death of King Abdul Aziz. His dash son Saud became the king. After the death of King Abdul Aziz, his eldest son Saud became the king. Number 8, Faisal was dash the crown prince and dash in 1958. Faisal was chosen as the crown prince and prime minister in 1958. Number 9, Saudi Arabia dash in serious difficulties at that time. Saudi Arabia was in serious difficulties at that time. Faisal dash his wisdom and intelligence to dash these difficulties. Faisal used his wisdom and intelligence to overcome these difficulties. These were the exercises of lesson 6, King Faisal. Thank you very much.